going to show you how to use the INRIX Drive Time feature today. From the association webpage, you can find NTREIS login under Benefits. And then you will log in with your license number and password through NTREIS.net. Click Matrix on the NTREIS portal. On the home page, decide where you will start your search. Remember, to use the INRIX Drive Time feature, you have to create a map search first. Once a map search is created, click the INRIX Drive Time icon. Enter your client's point of interest or address. Select if this is the address you will be driving to or from. Select what time you would like to reach your destination. Select how long you would like to drive for and starting day. Click Add to view your results. And now you have 35 results within that point of interest or address. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks!